So thanks, Mark. Thanks for the opportunity to have this brief talk here in this webinar. So I'm going to briefly talk about IQM and what we do. So IQM is a European company. We are kind of Finnish-German company. And what we do is we do full stack quantum computers. We build them and we deliver them. We have our own chips, what goes inside the computer, and then we build everything together from various components. We put all the software inside and we deliver to customers. We are about 300 people today. We are very heavy on R&D. There's a lot of investment in our company. We see ourselves as the market leader in Europe, and our goal is to be number one also worldwide. We have sold these really big systems already in Germany and Finland. That kind of shows we are able to build and deliver. And we have today, what we see is this most comprehensive product portfolio in the market for different price points and budgets. And we also heavy on R&D, like I mentioned. Our approach is superconducting qubits, and we see ourselves as the technology leader, definitely in Europe. We have our own fab. Nobody else has such a capacity in Europe at the moment. And we have some proprietary technology, especially on the error correction side. Let me see if the slide changes. Yes, here's our product portfolio. So we do both on premises and cloud. And on premises, you see on the left-hand side and cloud on the right-hand side. On premises, like I mentioned, we have different price points. And we have the first product, which is full stack, complete quantum computer with all the software, all the hardware, at less than 1 million. We call it IQM Spark. It's a complete 5-qubit system. And we have seen a tremendous demand in the market, not just in Europe, but worldwide. We're going to have announcements soon, both in North America and Asia for this Spark setup. Then we have this kind of bigger system we call IQM Radiance. We have today 3 configurations. One is 20-qubit configuration. Then there's a 50 or 54-qubit configuration. And the biggest one is a 150-qubit configuration today. And the biggest one is able, with the latest error correction technologies, actually already demonstrate what we see in the near future. We are getting to the quantum advances direction. The biggest system is still under R&D, and we are expecting to deliver the first customers next year. But the 20 and 54-qubit systems are something we can deliver in pretty short times. Then we have our cloud offering and service offering on the right-hand side. We launched just this spring our IQM Resonance Cloud platform, which has been getting very good reviews in the market. Others also provide their cloud platforms, but as we are kind of late to the cloud, we have really thought out how to build this cloud. We have a comprehensive algorithm library coming in there. We have a system which actually gives you easy access. There's almost no lines when we use our system on the cloud. And there's 2 processors currently available. One is a 20-qubit processor, then there's a 6-qubit processor, and in a few weeks, we will have a 50-qubit system also available on the cloud. Then we have our service offering, and part of it is something we call IQM Academy. So we have a kind of learning platform online, free of charge, accessible to anybody. And with our customers, we have even more content available when they buy system from us. On top of that, we typically work with our customers on different use cases. We have our own algorithm team inside IQM. So if there's any industry application, we are always willing to help and understand use cases really matter. And we're going to invest more in the software side, in the algorithm side in the future. There's 2 quick slides about our competencies on the hardware and software side. This is a short presentation. I don't go into the details here, but just give you a glimpse. We have key IP in important parts of the low level of the technology stack here about the QPU. So we are using something called tunable couplers. We have our own IP on error correction and error mitigation technologies, which are very key for the future use cases. Also on the software side, this is something we are really investing, and we think the industry has kind of underinvested in the past. Because we built the full stack, we really have been looking at the whole software stack and how to, for example, get rid of this Python code, which is everywhere in this industry. I'm coming from a software background myself and really see that we have to work on the software stack more in the future. We are building a single stack for both on-premises and cloud. We have for users free choice of tools. You are not tied to just one set of tools like some other vendors are working on today. and we want to integrate the systems very, very tightly to the customer systems, for example, HPC centers and supercomputers. This is in brief what IQM does and what are our strengths. If you want to get in touch for Europe and APAC, I'm the first right contact point. In North America, our head of US sales and is Robert Conan. He can help you with whatever inquiries you will have.